Hi, my name's Giovanni. I'm Giovanni, and I'm a chef. I'm gonna teach you how to cook oatmeal. First, get a bowl and spoon. Then get the oatmeal. Next, get the half a cup measuring cup. Oatmeal is made to a 2-to-1 ratio with water. First, do a half of a cup oats. Now add 2 parts water. Then put some raisins inside the bowl. Now we're ready to cook it for 2 minutes. Then you put it in the microwave. Then put it for 2 minutes. Then get your gloves on. Be careful taking it out because it's super hot. Then eat. Enjoy!